Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use your earphones or your headphones on your PlayStation 5 controller. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So with your PlayStation 5 controller, did you know you can go ahead and use just about any 3.5mm headphone or earphone and plug it into the bottom? Well, this is very easy to do. There is a headphone jack on the bottom of your controller. Just go ahead and plug in your headphones right here and it will connect. Now go ahead and put them in your ear. Now some of these headphones will actually have the label on them, like if they're the right ear or the left ear. Just go ahead and make sure and then place them in. Now, the cool thing about using headphones on your PlayStation 5 and why it might be an advantage is you can actually mute it at any point in time. There is a button on your PlayStation 5 located right here, and if you press that once, it will turn red, just like that. And that will indicate that the headphone is now muted if there is a microphone attached to it. This is what it looks like on the PlayStation 5 when you actually press that button. In the upper right hand side of the screen, a mute indication will appear. So the microphone is now muted. Press it again, it's unmuted. And then if you hold this down, it will mute all the audio to your PlayStation 5. So you can see my microphone and my sound are muted. I love this feature on the PlayStation 5 controller. It's so easy to mute or unmute your microphone. Now you may be wondering if you can go ahead and switch the microphone to like the controller instead of your earphones. Well, if you go to sound under settings and then go to microphone input, there is no option to go ahead and switch it back to your controller. You're stuck with the microphone on your headset at this point. Now, if you go back under sound and then scroll down to audio output and then go to the right and scroll down to headphones, you have a few different options in here. Like if you only want to get the chat audio in your headset and then play everything else through your TV, you can go to output to headphones and switch it to chat audio only. Then you'll be able to hear the game sound over your TV and talk with your friends only in your headset. Then if you back out of the screen and then go down to volume, you can actually increase or decrease the volume of your headset right here. Or press the PlayStation button on your controller, bring open this quick menu, and then go to sound. You'll have more options on here as well that you can access quickly. So it's very easy to use a 3.5mm headset on your PlayStation 5. Plus, you have additional settings now, which makes it very convenient. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.